Bob Khathing. Major Bob Khathing was born on 28 February 1912 at Ukhrul in Manipur in a Tangkhul family. After his basic schooling at ME School, he joined Cotton's College, Guwahati for his graduation. While pursuing his graduation, he started to teach in a school in a Bodo tribal belt, and he became the principal of the same school on completion of his graduation. On receiving call from his roots, Ukhrul, he moved there and took over the responsibility as a headmaster of ME School. During World War II, Bob volunteered for a commission in British Indian Army. After selection and Indian initial military training, he was granted the prestigious King's Commission and posted as second lieutenant in the 19th Hyderabad Regiment at Agra, where the then Major K.S. Thimaiya was a company commander. Thereafter, he moved to Johrat to induct in Victor Force, and he was granted a local rank of a captain. As a sector commander of Victor Force, he displayed remarkable traits of courage and outstanding leadership, conducting special operations causing immense damage to Japanese. He was decorated with gallantry certificate, twice mentioned in dispatches, honored with the MBE, and awarded the Military Cross in a short span of time. Major Khathing, on advice from the Maharaja of Manipur, resigned from the army after the war and joined the government of Manipur as Minister of Hills Administration. After the initial independence, he was elected to First Manipur Assembly in 1948, representing Southern constituency, and served as Minister of Hills Administration and Manipur Rifles till the assembly was dissolved in 1940 upon assimilation into Indian Union. The next year, he was selected as Assistant Commandant of the 2nd Battalion, the Assam Rifles. The next assignment was an Assistant Political Officer of Northeast Frontier Agency, NEPA. It was during this assignment of his that he was summoned by Governor of United Assam Shri Jai Ramdas Daulatram, and tasked to lead an expedition to Tawang in the Northeast Frontier Agency to establish the Retd of Indian administration there. Under his leadership, 2 platoons of 5 Assam rifles took a hazardous trek through the rugged mountainous terrain, crossing the impregnable Sela Pass, and took bloodless possession of Tawang in 1951, and was successful in unfurling the tricolour at Tawang. Major Bob Khathing was subsequently inducted into prestigious Indian Frontier Administration Services (IFAS) and played a key role in establishing Bomdila as a district headquarters of West Kameng district. Major Khathing's contribution towards the development of Northeastern region and selfless service to the nation was recognized by the award of Padma Shri in 1957. He was posted at 4 Corps headquarters during Indo-China War in 1962 and played a pivotal role in coordinating the war. Major Khathing later went on to become the Chief Secretary of Nagaland during the heights of Naga insurgency. From 1972 to 1975, he was bestowed upon the honor of leading India's diplomatic mission at Burma as its ambassador. Major Bob Khathing died his last on 12 January 1990 at his cottage in Valley View, Mantripukhri, Imphal. Major Bob Khathing's life was a perfect example and an orchestrated display of the fact that if a person has the will and the resolve to work with integrity, he can deliver best in diverse fields, be it soldiering, administration, or diplomacy. Ladies and gentlemen, now I will hand over the podium to Mr. Rungshing Khathing to felicitate, who is a grandson of Major Bob Khathing, to felicitate exceptional students with well-deserved educational awards. Jai Hind.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. We will now have a program to honor our Tangkhul students who have excelled in the school board examinations for Class 10 and Class 12 for the years 2020 and 2022. The Major Ralengnao Khathing Meritorious Award has been instituted by the Khathing family about 2 decades back to encourage Tangkhul students for higher achievement. This award is for Tangkhul students appearing in Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations from any locations of the country. The cutoff mark to be eligible for nomination is 90%. From the nominations received, the first 2 toppers in Class 10 and first 2 toppers in Class 12 in the Arts, Science and Commerce streams are selected. The Class 10 awardees receive Rs 20,000 and Rs 10,000 plus certificate, while the Class 12 awardees receive Rs 30,000 and Rs 20,000 each plus certificate in their respective stream. The function to award the 2020 awardees could not be held on account of COVID. However, the cash prize was disbursed to the awardees. Their certificates are being presented today. In 2021, no award was considered as examinations were conducted online, which was not considered to be a fair assessment of the students' abilities. The 2022 awardees will be receiving their cash awards and certificates in this function. As many of the students are pursuing their further studies outside Manipur, their awards are being handed over to their nominees who are either parents or other family members. We are very honored that Director General Assam Rifles, Lieutenant General P.C. Nair, PVSM, AVSM, YSM will be presenting the awards.
Now may I request Lieutenant General P.C. Nair, Param Vishishta Seva Medal, Ati Vishishta Seva Medal, Yuddha Seva Medal to kindly come on stage.
Before we start the award program, the family of Major Bob Khathing would like to present a token of appreciation and respect to Lieutenant General P.C. Nair, Director General Assam Rifles. I request Mr. John Khathing to do the honors. I will now call upon the students to come forward to receive their awards as the names are called. In case the student is not present today, the nominee shall come and receive the award on their behalf. So starting with the 2020 awardee for Class 10, Nanso Zimik from Vidya Bhavan Higher Secondary School, Dimapur, who secured 92.6%. From Class 12, we have Jansen Aunong from Science Stream from Army Public School, Narangi, Guwahati, Assam, who secured 95%. We have Grace Riyashan Jagai from Art Stream from Joran Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rambu, Manipur, who secured 95.4%. And then we have Riyani Raling from Art Stream from St. Mary's Secondary School, Mantripukhri, Assam, who secured. Coming to the 2022 list, in Class 10, we have Jinmin Rongra Singri from King's Grade School, Dimapur, Nagaland, who secured 94.6%.
Lagi naruh.
Then we have Vikram John Johnson from Lane Immaculate Girls High School, Kalina, Mumbai, Maharashtra, who secured 94%. Coming to the Class 12 list, we have Ringyewon Eloy from Science Stream from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rambu, Manipur, who secured 93.8%. Joint topper for the science field, we also have Ashri Natang, also from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rambu, Manipur, who also secured 92.8%. The next have women Kopi Sharmi Singh from Science Stream from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rambu, who secured 91%. Next we have Mathi Ahunao from R Stream from DAV Public School, Ranchi, Jharkhand, who secured 92.2%. And last but not the least, we have dear Shihanari Pumila from Art Stream from Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School, Imphal, Manipur, who secured 90%. I request all awardees to please come back for a group photo.
Which part of Kerala? Are you a Nair? Nair.